Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're here to discuss the new X21 add-in card, AIC, launched by Apex Storage. This PCIe 4.0 card accommodates up to 21 M.2 SSDs and offers capacities of up to 168 GB, with speeds of up to 31 GB per second. Apex Storage, based in Utah, is a new competitor to the storage game, focusing on AIC products. Its X21 AIC is a double-width full-height full-length, FHFL, form factor with a single-slot PCI design. The AIC measures 274.2 mm long and is compatible with PCIe 3.0 with a reduced performance, as well as using PCIe 4.0 with an increased performance. Inside the X21 card is a massive heatsink that covers the unspecified controller, suggesting a PCIe switch. 10 M.2 slots are located on the interior and an additional 11 M.2 SSD slots are located on the exterior of the PCBs. In order to power the great capacity of drives this card can support, two regular 6-pin PCIe power connectors are implemented to provide 225 watts of auxiliary power. The card's design is passively cooled, however a minimum of 400 LFM of airflow is recommended to achieve optimal performance. The X21 works with Intel Optane M.2 SSDs and Samsung 990 Pro SSDs of size 2280. This impressive card offers users up to 30.5 GB per second in sequential reads and 28.5 GB per second in sequential writes, with a random performance of 7.5 MIOPS reads and 6.2 MIOPS writes. The X21 reaches even more impressive numbers in multi-card setups, up to 107 GB per second in sequential reads and 80 GB per second in sequential writes and over 20 MIOPS reads and 10 MIOPS writes. The X21 also boasts advanced ECC, data protection, M.2 SSDs support, enterprise-grade reliability and error recovery for its impressive feature set. The mystery of the X21 is its pricing and availability, neither of which have been made public by Apex Storage. But we here at our YouTube channel promise to keep you up to date on the latest technology and storage news, so stay tuned.